Today was a very, very rough day in the stock market. And I want to talk about that and its impact, or maybe not, on crypto. All right. And so if you don't already know, I cover crypto every single day. My name's Austin. And if you're subscribed to my channel, you know that I talk a lot about specific crypto tokens, Bitcoin, Ethereum, obviously Shiba Inu, and a bunch of others. But I also spend a lot of time looking at what I call the macro level. You know, I look at all of the other factors outside of crypto, excuse me, employment reports, inflation reports, the Federal Reserve, what do they do or not doing, and all of its impact on crypto. And here's an interesting point. Today, the employment report came out and the stock market just dropped like a rock, down 600 plus points on the Dow, NASDAQ down dramatically. And if you look, crypto really didn't have a significantly really bad impact today from that event, the employment report. The key is going to be how it reacts in the next couple of days. Because this year, 2022, stocks and crypto have been pretty much, tied together and in lockstep with each other. Because both have been reacting to the backdrop of inflation. And yeah, you may be tired of hearing me talk about it, but guys, it is the simple fact that it is inflation and all of the fallout, such as employment reports, inflation reports, the Federal Reserve raising interest rate 5 times this year. By the way, 5 times raising of the rates in one single year. It basically ties the historical record. We have a Fed meeting coming up the first week of November and one coming up in December. If they raise rates, we will have had 7, count them, 7 Federal Reserve interest rate hikes this year. Unprecedented. It is inflation and all that's going on that is impacted, that has taken crypto market capitalization from north of $2+ trillion down into the $900 billion range that it's at right now. And so the thought and the point of this video was stocks had a horrific day because of the employment report that came out and because of the overriding sentiment that the Federal Reserve is going to raise the rates when they meet the first week of November. Let's call it what it is. They are going to raise the rates in November, and most likely they're going to raise the rate in December. Why do you care? Because every single time they've met and they've raised rates, it's had a negative impact on crypto. It has. When the CPI inflation reports have come out, they've had a negative impact on crypto. They have. We have a CPI inflation report coming out on October 13th, a few days from now. Most likely not going to be great. Gas, fuel prices are going up. This is the state of the union of where we're at. Now, I want you to know this is all not all doom and gloom. It's not all bad. This is when fortunes are made. When you look at the price levels for insert any coin or token name here, Cardano, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, doesn't really matter. They're at a massive discount from their all-time highs. And if you have a long-term strategy view of buying now and holding for the long term, pretty straightforward that you will make money. Not investing advice. I'm not telling you to go buy. I'm simply walking you around the proverbial park. Did a video earlier today, talking about Cardano. And Cardano, right here, right now, is around 43 cents. There's numbers out there that are being talked about by people who are very, very smart, that Cardano could ultimately go to $15 when we, this is years down the road. But that's a 35x on your money. If you bought Cardano today, 35x. To give you some perspective, and I own Bitcoin. Bitcoin right here now at 20,000. For Bitcoin to go from 20,000 to 60,000, it's near its all-time high. That's a 3x. My point is this. There are fantastic deals in the crypto space. I consider them to be in the blue chips. Cardano, Ethereum, etc. Top 25, give or take. Fortunes are made at this time for those people who will buy and hold for the long term. Food for thought. That's all I got for you right here, right now. Stocks are going down dramatically. We still have more rough water ahead of us for crypto. It is what it is. I'll be here for you every day. Take care. Thank you for your support.